Okay, so let's quickly look at some pre-market analysis. So if we are going to use 1 hour, if we are going to use 4 hours, whichever one. So let's go to 1 hour, for instance, on gold. Now this is a key level. So this is a previous market low and previous day high. This was the Friday. Today was the previous market day high. So we have gotten one. So now we're going to take this, right? Look at this high. Lovely enough. This is like pre-market analysis for the market open. So lovely enough, this is in consonant with this. This makes a lot of sense. If you stretch it further, you get this. So now let's go. Then we have already at this base here, almost to a swing, but not up to. So what we're looking at now, two things involved. Either a takeout here. So if you take out this one and bounce back, we want to be buying. You take out this one and reject. So we want to look for confirmation of price action. And so because this is a downtrend, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, right? So this one now, this one, so just the same. Equals, find this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, and now this is not up to this. So you are going to take this one now, and this is not a complete low. So two things. So look at it. We have marked all of these points. So what we're looking at is that market could come when it opens. If you rally up and take out this or rejected here, we'll be selling. So this is pre-market analysis. So first market open and rally up here and grab this 56, 54. So if you take out this and then come back below this point, we'll be selling, but you'll be taking observation of this so that let it not grab both sides and still sell off. Do you understand? So this is pre-market analysis. So we're looking at market certainly if you open and grab this, we'll sell to this region. And then when they break and retest this and continue, then that means we continue downward. Do you understand? Okay, so now, so let's go. We have gotten this. So basically, we can still mark this because this is another point because though they are not supposed to be too necessary, but I like to mark out every area that liquidity can hide. So let's go to 5 minutes. All right, so we're going to 5 minutes. So you can see in 5 minutes now. So see what we're looking at. So if you look at your RSI was up. So you want this one to be grabbed, this point to be grabbed. If you grab this one and sell, fine. But the best bet we want, you can return back here, grab this, we'll be buying. So just understand, taking out this liquidity and sell, or both this one will sell. All right. So this pre-market analysis is very important. Let's go to 4 hours and look at it in-depthly. Right. So in 4 hours, so this is the previous candle. And so in 4 hours, see another dimension you are going to see now. In 4 hours, this candle has closed, right? Holy Spirit. Market has opened already. See what happened. Wow. Wow. So we're going to be buying. Yes, because market happened and create a gap. Look at the jump. This is market gap. This is a jump down. Look at it. Market has actually opened. And then a grab, as we said. Look at it. So we just want some candle confirmation. So we are bullish, right? So, but this is just the first 1 minute open. So you want to, okay, can you see the markets? Wow, this is what I just said. So let me look at my market. Come on, let me just look at this guy here. Gold. So XAU. This is actually wrong what I want to do now, but just to filter in. See the jump down. And I think I expect this continuation to continue. It's difficult to be doing analysis and getting things right in the market. So, but I think that was a very smart one. But we still have a crash down, as it were, tall. Okay. These guys have not opened. Okay, so we'll wait for it to open properly here. So, but you can see now, this is this. So it has grabbed the low liquidity. So we should be seeing opportunity to buy. So these are the things you do pre-market opening and all of that. So now you are looking for a buy, the next candle open, a buy, and a stop loss below this. This is liquidity grab. So look at it. So when it return down here, I may not have all the time to do much of this detail. So you can now be finding, so your stop loss below, look at it below this candle. That's the wick of this candle. And then we allow it to run. We need to copy this one. Oh, okay. So at least you wait for like 5 minutes. See what I say Bitcoin was going to down, but oh wow, wow. So Bitcoin dumped down more. 'Cause I was already looking at the, it's quite risky, but if this is supposed to be market opening, that will have made so much sense. Good, 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 good. So let's look at Euro USD. I think Euro USD did the same thing. Euro USD did the same thing. I won't have time to do what I want to do. So let me just send this video across. Pre-market. So look at the pre-market updates. So all of them are buying. That's what it means. Because this was the previous day low. This was the high. And all of that. Market rushed down. But you want the net candle close before you will be finding an entry. Here you have this. You have this high. All right. Remember, so go back to the support and resistance strategy I've taught us to be able to understand this. If not, it will be difficult for you to get it appropriately. There's a jump. So still crashing down. There's a jump for this. So invariably it's good. It opens and crash down. So you want the market. Oh, I want to go back to 5 minutes. I'm sorry. So this make a lot of sense. Opens and crash down. Make a lot of sense. So after this, you want this candle close above this point, you marked it before, then that's when you are finding your entry. All right. So pre-market opening, very, very important to ascertain direction of the market. So this is a crash. After the market candle confirmation, it's where you can buy. All right. So most time people get deceived. Market going, I told you guys, say, I expect it to first pull back before it will now continue to rally. I think Euro USD is going to do the same thing. And I think Bitcoin too. Okay, Bitcoin still on the previous day candle because there's no market opening for Bitcoin. So gold, you can see what I said. It jumped down. We need to return back up here. Find an entry. All right. So I think that's what I just want to give us pre-market analysis.